Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to learn about the third and final structure of Facebook ad, that is the ad level. Now ad level, it's nothing but what your customer audience will see. It is the main crux of a main look of your ad, main representation of your ads. And I would say that Facebook, in the whole Facebook ads, this element, this structure of your Facebook ad is the most important thing that you have to give most attention on. It is the heart of your whole Facebook ads. Many people spend most of their time in defining their audience and many things, but believe me, 80% of your time should be spent in creating the best Facebook ads, because it is what will define the success of your Facebook ads. So 80%, most of your time should be defined in creating great ads on Facebook, because that is what will define whether the audience that you have selected will click on your Facebook ads or not, whether they will go on your website. Because if they didn't find it interesting, they will never click on it, and if they didn't click on it, they will never go to website of your website, and your objective will never be fulfilled. So this is the most important part of your whole Facebook ads. So you should always be cautious. You should always spend most of your time on this. It is the heart of your Facebook ads. So let's go inside it. When you go from this structure and you go to the last structure, that is the ad structure, here you define first which page you want your Facebook ads to run from, which here you select. So earlier we have created one Facebook ad page. You can select which page you want the ads to run. Then Instagram account, if you have a separate Instagram account, then you can select that account, you can log in into it, or you can select use selected page, so your Facebook page will be shown on the Instagram account. If you have separate Instagram account, you can merge it into it, but if you don't have it, it is not necessary. They will use your own page to show the ads. Create an ad. So what you want your ad to be? You want your ad to be a carousel ad, which I'll show you ahead, but it looks like this: image, headline, and feed. But I'll show you some of the examples earlier when we'll go in deep on how different kinds of Facebook ads. But whether you want your ads to be a carousel, whether you want your ads to be single image or video, whether you want it to be a collection, we will go in depth on all these levels, how it looks and what are the major features of it. But currently, just to explain a basic understanding of Facebook ad structure, I'm just explaining the basic ones. So here you select, under the Facebook ads level, you select which format you want: single image, video, collection, or carousel. Now majorly people will go for carousel and single image or video. Here you add this is the main crux of your Facebook ads. This is where you add everything. Here you add what you want, like your ad copy. Here you will define the whole ad copy. You will write up, create a presentation, whatever you want to say. Like you want to say a story, you want to define your product, you want to define the benefits of your product. Here is where you will write everything. We call it ad copy. This is where you define your ad copy. Then here it's a headline. Earlier, when we'll go deep into the anatomy of the Facebook ads, I'll show you how different Facebook ads, and I'll show you different levels of it, and we'll go again on these three levels. But here, just for explaining the basic Facebook ads, these are the three parameters that are the main crux of your Facebook ads. One is your ad copy, where you define your whole product, benefits that they'll get, how your customers will be benefited with your products or services. Headline, it is the headline that you see in your Facebook ads, which you explain a one-liner headline about your ad that will make them curious to click on your ads. And third is your website URL. So where you want to send your audience to, you have to define it here. Whatever your website name is, or you want to send them to your chat, or you want to send them to your WhatsApp, you have to select. So if you have a website URL, you can just copy paste here, and they will send, whenever a person click on any button, they will be sent directly to your website. And here you can define your call to action. So whether you want to go for shop now or play game, if you want to promote your game, you want to go for download, if you want to send them to your website and they want to download something, contact us. So you can define what you want them to shop now, sign up, you want to sign up to your website, so you can define the button. Display link. So many times what happens is your website might be having different, it would be a long website URL. So here, as you can see, business.facebook.com/ads manager/creation and all these things. If you so I would copy and paste it here in website URL. But if I don't want my audience to see this whole URL but only like business.facebook.com, then I can show it here. So my audience will only see business.facebook.com only, and not all these other parameters of my URL. So here I can copy paste, mention only the display link that I want people to see. So this is how your Facebook ads, the ad structure is. We will go in depth with the main features of every one of them, from campaign to ad sets to ad level. Just currently, to give you a basic understanding of the whole Facebook ad structure, I have explained it in a short way. Thank you.